abacha, so I just want to show you guys the ingredients I'm using. So in here I've got dried abacha, I have some chilies that I've sliced, and onion, and I have some dry fish here. I have uba here. I'm going to make this softer by adding some hot water to it. The water is boiling currently. Some mint leaf I'll be using. It's been in my fridge for a while, so that's why it looks like this, but I'm just going to pick out the fresh ones and leave the ones that are already there. In here I've got some akao. I'm letting it to settle a bit. So guys, the goat meat is ready. I'm going to air fry this for a few minutes. So my pot is still very much hot because I used it to cook the meat. So I added some palm oil, added some potage, also known as akao, and mix until you get a particular consistency. To be honest, I don't really know how to do this. I just wing it and it works. And then you're going to add some seasoning, add some dry fish, some ugba, some fresh pepper, and add some onion, and then just mix. You can add some crayfish at this point if you have, but I actually don't. And I also have this native spice that I've had for a while, so I'm going to add that a bit. Add my goat's meat, just for some smoky flavor, and then I'll add my abacha. Obviously after you soak it, you have to let it dry so water doesn't get into your mix. Add some mint leaf, mix, and I just let it cook up for a bit. My stove is off, but that's because like I said, it's still very hot, so it does the job. Add some fresh onion just for that crisp, and yeah, that's it. Looks so delicious, and actually it banged. Hi guys, so I'm starting off this vlog in the night. I'm trying out this new light I got. I've been seeing content creators get this lighting, especially like if you're the type that you go out a lot at night and you want to capture some things. This lighting would really do you well. Just trying to see how effective it is at night, and I think I love it. I'll have it linked below in case you are interested in it as a content creator. I think it's not even just a content creator, in general anybody can have it if you want to make videos at night. There used to be something like this back in 2017, 2018, but that one didn't used to last. After like a month or two, it just dies off. I hope that this one would last. This one is rechargeable. I also got a new tripod. Long story short, I had to buy a new tripod. You guys, I spent so much in the last week. It's crazy. It's crazy. Guys, watch my ads. That's all I can say. Welcome to a new vlog. I know that I didn't say that in the beginning of this vlog, so I just want to test out this light and see how it works. I think I like it. I want to show you guys the quality you get without the lights. So this is the quality without the lights. Basically it has a 3 level that you can use. This is without any extra light apart from the light in my room. So when you click the first button, this is the level you get. You click again for the second time, you get this, and then you click again for the third time and the brightest one comes up, and I love it. It's so cool. Good night guys, see you tomorrow.
So they have you will be able to get, this one is gunmetal color. It's like dark gray.
Like that gray. So which lady do you think will be best?
I'm a nice guy, this ain't my fault. Thought I found love, well I thought. Threw me away, tossed me in the fall. Stuck in your world, now I'm lost. You say you want me, you ain't acting like it. We on 2 different pages and I'm not a psychic. I can't read your mind, I can't read your mind. I gave you my time, wasted my time. I think we better off as friends, but then again, part of me wish I never introduced it myself. It would've said
Please now. Wickedness don't used to pay. I've told you. Hey guys, so my aircon is on. This is inside. See. Today guys has been very eventful. I had a meeting earlier in the day. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Yeah, my aircon is on just in case you're hearing one noisy ass sound somewhere. Guys, ignore all the noise in this house right now. Just ignore it. But I'm on my way to a coffee shop.
Time and a lot of my health, but you live and you learn a lot of lessons to learn. And now you asking for me back, but I could never return. And now you think it's next in line, but you lost your turn, man. Girl, you lost your turn. I wish we could have met halfway, but you treat me like a kid, and I am not child's play. A lot of things that you did was foul play, but enough is enough, and today not the day.
Tried to hit you on your phone, but you ain't replied.
Hey guys, so I just finished recording a video for my channel, and I also did a collaboration video with Ella. Ella is a YouTuber here in the Philippines, and we talked about PCOS, dynamics related to PCOS. I will have her channel linked in the description box, and the video that we filmed together in the description box. Her YouTube channel would be Praise Ella, so I would have it linked below. Praise Ella on YouTube here. Please you guys go support her. Today is pretty much going to be a chill day. I also did film a sit down video for my channel as well, because I was so pissed in the early hours of today. You can literally tell from my voice in that video. It's currently 2-something p.m. and I feel productive. 2 videos out of the way. Do not forget we're trying to get to 5k by the end of the year. Subscribe to my channel and share my videos. I'm also planning to losing my cornrows today. I'm not proud of it because I've just been very busy and life has been lifing. So yeah, let's get that fixed today. I'm not showing you guys when I'm losing my hair because this hair is a mess. Maybe much later.
Like to be the nice guy, but ain't nothing wrong with looking at the super fly. I'm just saying it'd be nice to look me in the eye.
You can call me a friend. I'm not doing this again. This is your last chance. If you want me in the end, you say we're better off as friends. I think you should think again.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. I have finally loosened my hair, but I wasn't able to wash it yet. This hair stinks. Okay, it doesn't look like it, but it is smell. Okay, it is smell so bad. Going packaging shopping, I'm going spices shopping. I am reopening my small business now. We are fully back. If you're new on my channel, I do run a food delivery service that I started about 4 years ago when I was in Cebu, and now I'm in Manila. So I've been running my business in Manila for about a year-ish. If you know what is good for you, I'm telling you now, go and follow my business page and patronize me if you're in Metro Manila. Basically, we cater for homemade meals. Let's say you want to stock up your house for like a month or 2 weeks or a week. We do have plans for everyone. We also offer small party caterings, like, you know, maybe a little home get together with your friends. We can come through for you for that. We do offer event catering as well, which is wedding, child dedication, all that stuff. Go support my business. I'm going to leave it up here. The name of my brand is Gem Comida. Tell a friend. If you're seeing this, this is time for you to repost my page on your Instagram, WhatsApp, if you're in the Philippines, so that, you know, your girl can cash out. I'm not even capping. You guys already know how I can trade down here on YouTube. So imagine ordering from me and actually tasting my food. Premium. Pick up and delivery available for now. You guys know I'm jobless, right? Aside from YouTube, but YouTube doesn't really give a lot of money like that for now. So I'm basically jobless. So to put food on my table and pay my bills and take care of myself, go support your girl. I might also get a massage because I've been wanting one. I have this chronic back pain, and I don't know if it's because I'm plus size and I have really large boobs. Okay, so I have this really bad backache that I've been experiencing for years now. And I must tell you, now it's so bad. Like in the night before I sleep, I would really want a massage, but of course you can't get that every time. So that's the point where I'm at. So today I'll just go and get one.
I wish that you could understand. I just wanna know what you feel inside. I wish you could see what I see for you and I. Doing all I can, but you turn a blind eye. At the door of your heart, but you left me outside. I wanna know just where we stand, so let's talk about it. Don't just say you love me as a friend, be about it. You forget who I am when the room gets crowded, but God forbid that I speak my mind about it. You don't believe a word I say, acting different, but you think we all act the same. Getting sick and tired of the stupid game that you play. Say you want me around, then why you push me away?
Tried to hit you on your phone, but you ain't reply. Guess it's what it feels like to be the nice guy. And ain't nothing wrong with looking at the super fly. I'm just saying it'd be nice to look me in the eye.